Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, June the 9th, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku. Don't forget, we have also an additional in this newspaper with I believe five extra Sudoku. So after this regular Sudoku, I will solve the other Sudokus. But let's get started with this medium Sudoku. Alright, we see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6. These three missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers here are the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, 7, 8, and 9. So it's 168. 168 are the missing numbers, and I see here the 6 and the 8. So no 6 and the 8 in this box. One digit left. Should be the 1. Here goes the 6 and the 8, 6 and the 8. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, a 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So no column between. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see which digit I can use. Yeah. 3, 5. This big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. There are 9, so no 9 in that box. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So with a 9 in the last row, a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And then this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. I see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9, I believe. Yes, need to wait. How about yes, these 3 numbers in this first column. The missing numbers are the 2, the 7, and the 4. 2, 7, 4, and look, we have a 7 and a 2 here. So no 2 and a 7 there. 1 digit left should be the 4. These 2 should be the 2 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Remember that. Alright, so we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. and we have a pair. In this big square, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9, that means we have a 4 here, and one of those missing numbers in this big square is a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, here or there, but I see here also no 4 there, so the 4 could be here or there, together with the 9 earlier. So I mark them because it's easier to follow then. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. That means the other three numbers are the numbers 2, 8, and 6. 2, 8, 6. Cannot do anything now. Need to wait. Alright. How about the number 7 in this row? 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 7 here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places for a 7 here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Two missing numbers in the first column, the 7 and the 2, I remember. Now we have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And all the 7s are used, I can see, yes. All right. Can we do this with another digit? That's my question. Now we have, yes, 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column. The only 3 places for a 1 should be here, here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes. Second digit. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. 6 in this column. 6 in the second column. So in the column, in the third column, the column next, 1 place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 box left in this column, the third column for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square. The missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then how about these two numbers in this row? 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 8, I believe, yes, because those two numbers are the 4 and the 9. I can remember. The other two numbers, the 2 and the 6 are left. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, the last row for the numbers 5 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And 2, the 6, and the 4, 2, 6, 4. Alright, and now. Ooh, 6, 3. 3. Yes, this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3. No 3 in those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left for the 3. 3 could be here or could be there, the 3. So in this column we have a 3, one of those 2 boxes. In that column we have a 3 over there. So in the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for a 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And here we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. Here should be the 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 2 boxes left in the middle column for the numbers 2 and 6. And look, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 4 should be here. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 5 is missing in this big square. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes here. And then 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, and 6 is missing. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 9. 1 box missing in this last column for the number 9. 1 box missing in this column for the number 8. 8 is missing, yes. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box missing in this row, the first row for the number 5. And then 2 boxes missing in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Oh, mistake. We have a 4 here. The 2 and the 9 is missing. Correct. So this should be the 2, because, small error, we have a 2 here. This should be the 9. Yes. Finish in 14 minutes. 14 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Double check it. Otherwise, you will make mistakes. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this Medium Sudoku PDF file, so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe if you like or if you want. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Rest me to say thank you for watching again, and I will see you later. Later for the additional with extra Sudokus in this today's newspaper. So keep on puzzling. See you later. Bye bye.